Wednesday, March 18th, 2020 is our last video for the day. Math pages. Page 9 is easy, page 10 is a little harder, page 11 is easy, and page 12 is a little harder. I do have a number line on here, and don't forget you have your number grid. Remember your number grid. You have that at the very front of your packet, so do use your number grid. Okay, counting blocks, base 10s. Remember when it's a 10 stick, count it by 10s. Don't continue counting 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Don't do that, okay? 10, then switch, count by ones, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. You can use your number grid, jump off of your number grid, off the 10 and onto the 11, okay? Most of this is all things we've done before. These are pretty low numbers. This is fairly easy. Try it yourself. You can get the the answer key on Class Dojo when you're done. But this one, parents, they should totally be able to do that by themselves. Okay, page 10. We've done this. We haven't done it with numbers quite so large, but this is great for students who need a little extra challenge in math. So we're going to go over this in just a minute, okay? Page 11, super easy. We know this by now. I know you can't cut and glue because I've made it double-sided to save paper. So you're just going to choose the number. You need to find the number, I should say, down here and write it in the box. We do that all the time when we can't cut and paste. We just write it into the box. You know how to do this. You know how to do this. Okay, page 12, numbers before and after. Okay, it's 10 less and 10 more, and that is a little harder. We'll go over that on the number grid. All right, so to our desk here, and we're going to go over page 10. And I'll go and zoom in there. Page 10, we've got 26. This is just like our fact family triangle, Math Mountain. It just has hearts and circles instead, okay? So all you're gonna do on that, let me back up a little bit there. I'll try not to have my hand blocking it. I noticed last time my hand was actually blocking the camera, so you couldn't actually see what I was doing. Let me reach here for a minute. Okay, 26, 20 plus 6, okay? 32. So if you have 30, we're starting with 30. What's the missing number? 45, we're starting with 40. I'm going to frame this out for you. 39, starting with 30. 61, starting with 60, because this is all about tens and ones. There could be any combinations, parents. If you're thinking about 32, it could be, 21 plus 21. 45 could be 20 and 25, but that's not what we're doing here. This page is all about tens and ones. So the tens place going over here, the ones place going over there, okay? So we're going to frame it out. It's a good exercise for kids to expand their learning for tens and ones place, but it might be a little confusing for some kids who haven't seen it this way. And in first grade, if we change the format, we change the shape of things, it really causes confusion, okay? So that's all framed out. 30, 31, 32. So that would be like 3 10 sticks and 2 dots. 2 is the missing number. I want the 10s over here and the 1s over there. If you want to write T for 10s place, O for 1s place, that might help too, okay? T for 10s place, O for 1s place. So, and usually I color code that to match, but I've framed it so all the 10s place are in orange and the 1s place are in purple. So let's go ahead and put that back in orange just so we don't cause confusion, okay? So T for 10s place, T for 10s place, all over here. That's all tens place on the whole page. A little different shape than we're used to, isn't it? But it's good for our brain to see the same concept, the same thing we're learning in a different shape. It's fine. Okay, we're going to go back and do our 10 sticks. 4 10 sticks, 3 10 sticks, 6 10 sticks, 5 10 sticks, and you get it. 7 10 sticks, 6 10 sticks, 3 10 sticks, 7 10 sticks, 8 10 sticks, 5 10 sticks, 9 10 sticks, 5 10 sticks, okay? Now we're going to go back and do the ones place. All right, 30, 31, 32, 2 dots over here, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. And yes, I can count it, or guess what? T for 10s place, O for 1s place. 4 10s, 5 little ones, okay? 3 10s, 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. 9 in the ones place. And yes, if you want to also label up here, you can. Sometimes the kids need to, sometimes they don't. They're getting pretty good about seeing that. They don't have to label every single one. They know I want them to. So it's a good little exercise for them to do. Labeling a T for tens place over ones place so they can pull it apart like we've done here. Okay? So you can also just pull the ones place. The 9 goes here. 60, there's the ones place. 6 in the tens place. The 1 is in the ones place. 5 is in the tens place. 3 is in the ones place. 2 is in the tens place. 9 is in the ones place. That should go on the whole page. So if you want to go 60, 61, 50, 51, 52, 53, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44. Jump over. 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78. Oh, we didn't put the 4 over there, did we? Did you catch that? Anybody at home catch that? Catch my mistakes. Oh, I'd love it if you put on Class Dojo. I found a mistake, Mrs. White. That means you're paying attention. Good. 6 in the tens place, 8 in the ones place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3 in the tens, excuse me, yes, 3 in the tens place. 9 in the ones place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 7 in the tens place and 7 in the ones place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 8 in the tens place. 2 in the ones place. 5 in the tens place. 9 in the ones place. 9 in the tens place. 3 in the ones place. 5 in the tens place. And 0 in the ones place. Now, back up that camera a little bit. You'll see this is expanded form. 32 is 30 plus 2. Okay. 45 is 40 plus 5. This is a practice in doing expanded form. So 30 plus 2. 45 is 40 plus 5. 39 is 30 plus 9. 61 is 60 plus 1, and so on. Okay? Hopefully you get that, and the answer key will be on Class Dojo. All right, jumping over here, we know how to do this. I'll do one quick little example. 3 tens, remember T for tens place, O for ones place. 3 in the tens place, 4 in the ones place. I want you to draw 3 tens and 4 dots. I'll do another example. 2 tens, 8 ones. T in the tens place, O in the ones place, 2 tens and 8 ones. 2 10 sticks, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 in the ones place. And if you get it right, that's down here. So I already used this one and I used that one. Okay? All right. Next one. You're going to need your number grid for this one. What number comes not just before 20? Don't put 19 here. 10 less. So I have 2 tens minus 1 10 equals 1 10. 1 plus 1 is 2. Okay? 2 tens plus 1 more 10 equals 3 tens. Now go back. We have 0 in the ones place, 0 in the ones place. 10, 20, 30. Okay? Stay right on here, video girl. On the number grid, you're going to be jumping up and down. Remember, 10 less means you're jumping up on the number grid, and 10 more means you're jumping down. Okay? So let's go ahead and get this right here. So 48. You had 48, and so we had 58 was our beginning. Then 48 and 68. 48 is 10 less. 68 is 10 more. Remember, we're going up for minus 10 and down for plus 10. If you want to write this on your number grid, you can. Make a little spot right down here in the corner. Make our arrow. Okay. So this means minus 1. This means plus 1. Going down this way means plus 10. Going up means minus 10, okay? So that should help a little bit there. Back onto our worksheet here. So 32. Hold on, let's go back to 20, okay? Here's on 20, here we go. On the 20, 10 less. Looking at this, it tells us 10 less. That means I jump up 1 hop and I land on 10. Go back to 20, what's 10 more? Jump down 1 hop and I land on 30. 10 is 10 less than 20. 30 is 10 more than 20. Okay, over here we go. 32. So let's go on our number grid. 32, 10 less, jump up 1, that's 22. So I write 22 right here. Go back to 32. What's 10 more? Jump down, plus 10, that's 42. We have all practiced this in class, but we haven't practiced it a lot. Okay, so look, T for tens place over ones place. 3 tens minus 1 10 is 2 tens. 3 tens plus 1 10 is 4 tens. Okay, we'll do a couple more problems. 65. 65, 1 10, take away 1 10, take away a 10, right here, get that on the camera. Take away a 10, back up camera, thank you. 65 minus a 10, that means we're jumping up to 55. 65 plus 10, we're jumping down to 75. So here I put 55, and here I put 75. If we label that T for tens place, O for ones place on each one of them, 6 tens minus 1 10 equals 5 tens. 6 tens plus 1 10 equals 7 tens. Okay. Oh, this one's going to be right on that rainbow, so it's going to be easy if you've colored yours in a rainbow. If you haven't yet, that's okay. 4 tens minus 1 10 equals 3 tens. 4 10 plus 1 10 equals 5 tens. 0 in the ones place. Take that over to our number grid. 40, remember, minus 10. Back up camera. 40 minus 10, it means we're jumping up to 30. 40 plus 10, it means we're jumping down to 50. And over here, 54, T for tens place, O for ones place. Let's find 54 in the number grid. 54, and down here, minus 10 means jumping up to 44. Plus 10 means jumping down from 54 to 64. Again, minus 10. Plus 10. Don't go like that. Don't jump like that or you're going to mess yourself up. You're going to go minus 10 and plus 10 is going to take you right back where you were. No, no. Minus 10, then go back to 54 and go plus 10. So we have 54, we have 44, and 64. Okay? And the rest of this answer sheet will be on Class Dojo. All right, see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.